Here is a quick and easy protein snack. Peanut butter protein balls. Grab a bowl and let's start. Start with 1 cup of oats, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of honey, chocolate chips, and a 1/4 cup of protein powder. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Now roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. Put them into the fridge for 20 minutes to set. Boom! You've got yourself a tasty protein-packed snack. Perfect for busy days or a quick energy boost. Try it out and thank me later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.